Hello, Witch Folk. Welcome to our coven.
We're Angels on Broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo, and we love the makeup. I'm Chris.
Are you well?
I'm Kristen. I lost my breath because I'm so excited.
I'm Evangeline.
And today we have the
Dun, dun, dun.
Amor y Mariposas from Milk Cosmetics. We finally got it. I know we're late to the game, but we're Canadian. We can't help it. I ordered it as soon as it launched, and we got it on Thursday.
Yeah.
So we're going to play with everything in it. I guess we'll show you what
Let's
we
show
got.
some things. Yeah.
The box.
Beautiful.
What am I going to do with the box? I'm going to display it in my new loft. Yes. And it comes like this. There's things in there.
Oh,
Stickers.
it's beautiful. It's like velvety.
Yeah, and stickers. And
Whoop.
wow.
There she is.
Thanks. Yeah, there she is. The most beautiful girl in the world.
Some cute stickers.
Yeah, and all the things fit in there, but I'm going to take it out.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't need that.
What should we start with?
The brushes.
The brushes, yeah.
I think. So the brushes look like this. And you've probably seen everything, but they're very soft.
Wait.
And
ASMR, guys.
ASMR.
I love that sound. Ugh.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's so pretty. They're so soft. They're sort of like the, maybe a little stiffer than the KGH Spectrum, but they have that softness.
Mm-hmm. And then the lip pencils. I think there's 3.
Yeah.
One of them might have rolled away, but it'll come home again. Just like the butterfly. You know, they go away, but they come back.
Yeah.
And then the lipsticks.
There's 5.
There's 5. 2 of them have glitter in them, and I've swatched them, and they're very sheer.
I think I want to try one of the sheer glittery ones.
A pink one and a coral one. And then these liners. What was this called? A pigment some sort?
Like a
I'm going to use it.
pigment paint. So it's
Pink.
sort of unclear, but I think you can just do what you want with them. Maybe they call it that because it's like, okay, so some of these pigments they say not safe for eye use, but they are. It's just like a weird thing. It might stain your eyes for a day or something. I assume that's why they're saying that, because it's probably going to stain your eyes for a day.
But I'm going to put it somewhere else, I think. And then a gold one and a teal one.
The blush palette. Ooh, I'm really excited to try these shades. We're kind of wondering about why these are so light. We think they're like blush toppers more than they are blushes, unless you're very fair, you know?
Yeah.
So I assume they're more blush toppers. I feel like I'm going to just mixology this a lot.
Yeah.
And then the palette, which in real life, it's very beautiful. Like, the shimmers are just kind of like, I can't explain it. Like, they just seem very velvety and like, it's really pretty.
And then the mattes are very pigmented.
Oh, yeah. It seems like a vivid palette. So I'm a bit intimidated, actually. Ooh. I don't even know. I kind of want to try like this liner because I've never tried the melt liners. They've always said it's good. I don't know, but I want to start with some blush. That's what I do know.
Let's start with the blush.
Okay.
Oh, and the mirror. So
the mirror.
I finally got a mirror. Amor y Mariposas.
Yes, excuse me if I have some poor pronunciation.
I've had 2 years of Spanish in university.
Did you?
Yeah.
Would it be weird to mix the pink and that?
Ooh, the pink. Boop.
Okay. I'm going to do the orangey one. Oh, I know you shouldn't blow on your brushes. That was just a weird impulse.
Oops.
I really like orangey blushes, though. Ooh, pigmented.
My pink one is really pigmented.
Which makes me happy because I like pigmented.
What am I going to do? How am I going to survive
Oh
this?
my god. This is pigmented. Wow. Okay. Noted.
This looks like I've been drinking on a New Year's Eve outside.
We all know the rules with blush, though. Easy to diffuse. It fades on its own. It's all good.
Okay, I'm putting one of the toppers on it. The one that's called... So my pink one is called Flor, and this one's called Fides.
So I
assume I'm pronouncing it relatively normal.
Sonrisa and Conmigo. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna use my foundation brush and stipple this a bit. Now the only thing is I wish there was maybe a bit more of a highlighter shade in here. I forgot to bust out my highlighter here. How did you find that topped?
What do you think? It diffused it.
Okay, Feliz.
Boop, boop.
Oh, maybe that's kind of its goal. Yeah, when you top that on, it just has a very subtle glow to it.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
I want to get into that eyeshadow and I want to live my best life. I'm using the brushes. You're not. Are you?
They're
No?
not mine to use.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to go in with this teal. Carino. I'm embarrassed for myself. I'm sorry. So I'm just going to start light. I'm interested in trying that gel liner. Maybe as like a graphic moment. We'll see.
You love your graphic moment.
Do I? I like this shade. Are you just using those two neutrals?
Yeah.
Do you notice any difference?
One is more warmer, the other's cooler and deeper.
Huh, okay, even though they look the same, yeah. That's usually what happens. If it looks the same in the pan, it's usually not. This is a really pretty green. I don't actually think I have anything very similar.
Okay, I'm gonna go in the deepest shade is called Charo. It's kind of like the black of the palette. I'm not mad because it's gonna be very pigmented, and it is.
I'm gonna go in on the edges with a darker teal Sentimientos.
That's good.
That's all right. That was all right. Sentimientos. So this collection they had a really beautiful way of putting it, but it's about finding beauty or something in after death and honoring loved ones.
I'm gonna go into the purple. The brighter purple is called Nube.
Nueve.
Nuebe. No,
No,
it's not
it's
Nuebe.
not.
It's Nube. Nube.
Nueve.
I don't know what that means.
Guys, we're Canadian. We don't learn Spanish here. We learn French.
I want to learn Spanish better than
Yeah, I know.
I like Spanish.
People help me. I'm trying to grow up my bangs, I think, and they're going to be very awkward. Does anyone have any tips for growing them out? Thinking like more curtain bangs. I literally have to style bangs 3 times a day to keep them looking, cute. So I'm over it. I'm done. It's too much.
Especially in the winter.
And wearing hats and they just flatten and it's garbage. I envy people who don't have to style their bangs and they just look good.
But I think they do. I think it's a myth.
Casey
Yeah.
doesn't.
She's lying to you.
No, she's not.
How do you know?
Because she's had bangs since I've known her. She's never not had bangs because they're low maintenance for her.
Oh.
Yeah.
I always had like a little, my hair would want to part, and so I'd have Keith Partridge. You guys probably don't know who Keith Partridge is, and I feel sorry for you.
What,
He was
from
the
Partridge
hottest man.
family?
Yeah. This palette has too many colors.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Says the one who loves a rainbow palette.
Yeah.
What?
I wish it was just like cut in half.
Half.
Half. Yeah. I'm into that now.
I'm gonna try putting a little bit of a more neutral shade on the sort of to diffuse the edges. Mensage.
I'm avoiding the ones that I can't pronounce.
Interesting. When I added this to the green, it almost gave a very watercolory effect. When I used to do watercolors as a kid. You know what I mean? Look.
Oh, yeah.
I
Yeah.
don't know if you know.
Yeah, I do know. I see why these are called pigments.
Yes.
I don't know the difference between an eyeshadow and a pigment.
Pressed
but,
pigment?
yeah,
Me neither.
but I feel like this makes sense to me. I'm going into a shimmer shade, and it's called Sagrado. Sagrado.
I am as well, and it's called, oh no.
Ooh, I like it. Ooh, me lovey.
It's called Ciolito Lindo.
Ooh, this is so beautiful.
This is pretty too.
Ooh, I like it. Oh, I like it, this looky. Oh, I like it.
That's all it takes for you to like a palette. You use the shimmer and you're like, oh,
Yeah,
okay,
suddenly.
right? It comes together.
Oh, I know what I watched on Netflix last night. The Brooke Shields Christmas movie. Guys.
Yeah.
She goes to a castle in Scotland and falls in love.
Oh, yeah?
Do you even know who Brooke Shields is?
She was a model. Was she?
Yeah.
Okay.
But what's her claim to fame? I'm going to question
Oh, wasn't there that movie that was like, oh, no, the Blue Lagoon thing?
that. Well, there was one.
And then there's that movie where she was a kid and wasn't she kind of exploited? And
Yes,
she
she
was
was
on Playboy and it was creepy.
Completely exploited as a child.
That's right.
So super sexualized. She was one of the first models that came to attention, like 12-year-old girls being sexualized.
Oof.
But she's such a cool person now.
Yeah.
You got to follow her on Instagram. She has 2 daughters.
Okay.
She's a good person. I like her.
I'm going in with this other shimmer. Miko. Help me, Mother.
Oh, that's a word and a half, isn't it? Mikoa. That's a very advanced. Very advanced Spanish word.
I'd like to know what all these mean.
See, the reason why I like Spanish is because they have rules. And they don't have too many, if they have at all, any, like, the exclusion of that. Like, you know, French and English is I would hate to learn English. But, like, French is always, like, the exception to the rule. Oh, really? Why are you calling it a rule then?
Yeah.
Everything's accepted. Exceptioned. Ugh, so hard. French is
All
hard.
the weird masculine and feminine
Yeah,
stuff.
like, why are you feminizing a table or a chair or a...
Yeah, I know. So you said
Rabbit.
le or la for a table, and then le for a chair.
Okay, I'm liking what I did.
I think I'm shying away from my graphic idea, but I do want to use it along the lash line.
I think I'm going to use the gold in the inner corner.
Ooh, good idea.
I'm going to just take a little brush, not from this collection.
Okay, going in with this
Did I even get
liner.
anything? I feel like I need a bigger brush. Boop.
So creamy, oh my god. Wow. I wonder if I should cut like a sort of harder line here.
I wonder if I overdid it. Wow. We'll wait till the mascara comes on before we judge our work. Shooby-dooby-doo.
Shooby-dooby-doo, dooby-doo, dooby-doo, dooby-dooby, dooby-doo. I'm gonna go in the deepest green, which almost looks like it says guacamole. But it says, oh, it must be Spanish for guacamole. Guamico. It looks like
I think
something.
guacamole is Spanish.
Yeah. It looks
Okay.
like guacamole.
It does look like guacamole.
Ooh, it's a real pretty green. Swampy green. So my idea is to kind of like diffuse up this wingy shape.
Okay, I did mine. Eyes. I think mine eyes are done.
Okay, I'm almost done.
I don't know if I'm going to put on that pink.
I think inner corner, I'm going to do matte, and it's that first shade I went in with, that lightest teal. And I'm going to top it with the lighter blue shimmer. I'm going to do this on the other side off camera, and then we'll be back to finish it off.
Haha.
Okay, we are back. I took a while. I felt like I went for quite a bold look, and I was struggling a little bit. But the shades are really nice. I don't know if I'd go this bold again, but I went for a deeper look.
Because when we do our makeups IRL, like in the day,
Yeah.
it's not like we do them like this.
No. This is the intense look. Is it even? I don't know.
Yeah. We're going to do our lips.
Yes. I want to try one of the glittery ones.
Okay. Yeah.
Like because I think something sheer. I don't want to bold
I think
look.
I'm going to try the purple. So I'm going to use the purple liner.
I don't think any of these liners will work. I think I'll do Endless Cacao. I have a funny story about Endless Cacao I've been meaning to tell you.
Okay.
So I went out one night to Vatican Gift Shop down the road. It was sort of a bit of a dancing vibe. I, in the washroom, used my Endless Cacao and I dropped it. But we were at our table and I was like looking around. I could not find it. Everybody joined in, helping me, flashlights under the table. Where's Endless Cacao?
Oh.
Me, knowing me, even though I'm a Hufflepuff, I am bad at finding things.
Oh, she's terrible.
I have this weird thing where I get tunnel vision and I can't see anything. And I'm like, I'm not even going to look for Endless Cacao. I know it's gone. Sephora's sale's on. Whatever, I'll get a new one. Meg, my friend, took it upon herself to find Endless Cacao. So she went like looking with her flashlight through this like club where everyone was dancing, and she's like looking for Endless Cacao. She goes down to the bathroom, flashlight, finds it in the weirdest spot, like embedded in a corner. It had rolled in.
Oh my God.
She comes back like 5 minutes later. Ta-da! And everyone like applauded. It's endless cacao. She's like, I wouldn't have done it for any other shade, but it's endless cacao. And I appreciate it. She saved me $30.
It's crazy expensive.
Yeah, when you
I would get all those Makeup Forever pencils. They're so good. Mind you, these pencils are good as well. Guys, a wood pencil is key.
Yeah, I agree. I like them a lot better. Okay, going in with the shade.
Okay, I'm trying the purple shade. What's it called?
Mine is called
I can't read.
Amar Eterna. I guess that's like life forever or something.
Amor?
Ooh.
Amor Eterna?
Yeah.
Love forever.
Oh, I'm dumb. No, I'm not. This is cool.
Yeah, I like those. I tried them already.
I never use a sparkly thing. It's interesting. Does it match? Maybe not so much.
I'm going to put a little pink shade in the middle.
Nothing's matching here. I like
There.
it, but this does not match.
This is a lot.
I look insane.
Because I'm...
We're just talking over each other. I'm like looking at myself. No.
I'm like a neutral lip girl, you know? Me and my Makeup by Mario.
Mm-hmm.
But, you know.
This can't be my finished look. I'm sorry. I like the lips. I think they are their own thing. I don't like the idea of pairing it with the colors of the palette.
I agree.
I've seen Laura do it.
I agree.
It's too much.
I'm doing it, but...
I'm taking it off. It was just too pink because I'm peachy on the cheeks. Give me a mo.
I'm keeping
I
mine.
like it. The purple, like the tones work well together.
Mm-hmm. It's lipstick I don't have. I'll tell you that much.
I don't have any shades like all those.
Look at you, neutral lip girl.
How can you not wear a neutral lip with what's going on my eyeballs?
I know. I agree with you.
I like that better. This is one of those looks that really shows off my this eyebrow just like
But it
goes so high.
That's okay.
I don't like it.
Why? It's very witchy.
Oh, it's
It's witchy. It's bitchy.
it's maybe bitchy. I like this collection. I just think it's bold. I think it's like I love the idea of using bits of it here and there rather than like, I'm
Yeah.
going to try and use this whole collection at the same time. It's colorful. It
It's
really
too much.
is. It's vibrant.
Yeah, I agree.
Which makes sense because it's about the vibrancy of life.
Yes.
It is.
So, life and death.
Yeah.
The circle. I can't wait to use this, though.
Yeah. I'm interested. I liked the blush shades. They're so pigmented, which I like. But yeah, I don't know. Bold. Everybody bold. This is not for the faint of heart.
No.
Are you excited about? This was your first time using it and you got
I know.
it
I
a
was
few
very
days
excited.
ago.
Very excited. Yeah, I can't wait.
I like
to
the
use more.
pinks in this. I was thinking of trying those, but I went
I
for
want to use the teals and this mesquite.
that looks really pretty. Oh, okay, there she goes.
Yeah, there's lots to uncover.
Mm-hmm. It is it's like a adventure, this collection. And even the ASMR brushes.
I like the brushes, for sure.
I like the way they have this little embellishment so that when you put it on a table, it doesn't go rolling.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
so pretty.
That's smart hockey. Okay.
Anything else to say?
Not much.
I don't know. Let us know in the comments down below if you've picked up anything from this collection. She went hard and got the whole PR box, but I'm sure most people kind of picked and chose some things. I was really interested in the blush palette. So yeah, definitely interested to know if you've tried anything out from this collection. I think that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Stay witchy, stay bitchy. Have a good week. Bye, witches.